So in this video, I simply want to show you where the power button is located on your Vizio TV. I'll show you multiple locations in case you do not have the same Vizio model as I have over here. So the first place where you should look is under the TV, right over here. In my case, the button is located over here on the left side. Let me show you. So this is under my Vizio TV, and as you see here, this is actually a button. Maybe yours will be located in the middle or even on the right side, but check over here first. If you don't have any buttons under your Vizio TV, there's a chance that it's located in the back on the side. Well, this TV does not have one, but check right over here or on the other side. There's a good chance that you're going to find a hidden button right over there. And what can you do with this button? Well, it's more than just a power on and power off button. So, well, obviously you can power on the TV. I just pressed on it, wait a few seconds, you're going to see the Vizio logo, and then you'll be able to use it. Then you simply need to tap on it once, so this menu appears. Every time you press on that button, simply single taps, it will switch between different options. And you see the one highlighted, it will be in orange. You simply need to select your source that you want, let's say HDMI 2, and release the button. Don't touch it anymore, and it will go over there in like 2 seconds. You see, HDMI 2. To switch again the source, same thing, press that button. If you want to go back home, simply go to Vizio Home and let it go, and here we go, we're back on the home menu. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.